Right guys, this is a quick video on a Mercedes Vito 2008. This is all the same on Mercedes Vitos, all of the models, and this is just a pollen filter quick video for the pollen filter. So it is located in there. To get to it, you need to remove this cover first. Just get a screwdriver under it and just pull it off. And then you're going to have this little bar, that one there, with two screws which just holds it on there. Remove them two screws and then you just pull it out. There you go. I've done it, so I can put it back in. Well, that's it guys, that's how you do the pollen filter on them, in case you didn't know. Like I said before, subscribe, follow me, ask me questions if you want, and I'll make more videos for you and sort it all out. Just make sure you put that rubber seal back in properly, that one in there, and push it back in with the new filter. Also, if you're doing the service, there's the oil filter and there's the fuel filter, and to get to it you need to remove the air box. So usually first I disconnect the pipe from there, disconnect the plug from the airflow meter, and then unscrew them screws, take it off, it slides off. Then all you have to do is just get a bit of WD-40 on them two rubbers, and it just on them two, and it just pops out. Get like a screwdriver under it, it'll pop out, and just remove that hose from there, and that will come out. It's quite nice and easy job. Then you will need an adapter for the oil filter for the plastic housing to remove it, which is one of them I got in here. And I'm gonna make next video about how to reset the service light on them. So yeah guys, enjoy, like my videos, subscribe, and I'll help you with everything that I can. Thank you, bye.